What's going on, guys? So today we are going to do a short unboxing video for this upcoming build. It's going to be a two-part video, so wait for the next one. So what we have here is the Aqua Design Nano 30C, about 7.5 to 9 gallons, I think, and it is made by ADA. It is going here beside this bigger tank. What we have here as well are the things that I need. That's the mat from Chihiro's. This is the ADA La Plata sand. One thing I like about this sand is the color that it brings. It just gives off a natural effect on the build. The sand is not too fine as well. So another thing is this Aqua Soil, the Amazonia version 2. This is my go-to because the other one is so expensive, and I've had a good result for that one as well, so no biggie. This is going on this IKEA Acket stand that I will be reinforcing with some steel brackets on the side just to make sure it's sturdy enough to hold that aquarium. Another thing that we have here is the Oase BioStyle filter. It's a hang-on back filter from Oase. I like this one because it looks clean, simple, and it doesn't really stand out. So just wait and see if it works well with this build. One thing that I have reservation is like the review is saying that it is a bit noisy. So we'll just have to wait and see when the build is done. Let's put it over there on the table. I am really excited about this filter, but as soon as I opened this, it caught me by surprise. It is way bigger than I was expecting it to be. I still like the design, the clean look, but yeah, this is a huge filter for this tank, so I'm not sure if it will work, so we'll just have to wait and see again, or we'll probably have to figure things out just to make this work. The pipe looks clean, but it's a bit big, and it has an extension tube which I have trouble putting on actually. So but it's just straightforward. It was just as it wasn't aligned when I was trying to put it in. Another thing to unbox is the tank. This is actually my second tank from ADA. I bought an exactly same one several years ago, but I ended up selling it, and I think I'm missing a cube tank here, so I got a new one. And most of the tank comes with this bracket to hang the lid on, so it's good that they have that for free. And here's the rest of the tank as I unbox it. Stay tuned for the next video, and please like and subscribe. Cheers!